situation. Now, if you follow the ordinary method, have you noticed? I will say you the wonderful day. So try to change it every time. One become one NO2, next two NO2, next three NO2, next four NO2, or else try to balance oxygen here. Here 2O2 like that. You'll never get the balanced chemical equation for this equation. Understand, everybody? You'll never get it. Continuously keep on changes something. If I'll try to change something, other substances will change. So again, we have to confront. So like this, it will be keep on changes so that we'll never get. So that is why at this situation, if you'll feel like that, then we have to apply the trick here. So if you'll apply the trick, we'll get the answer. So what is this trick number 2? When there is a difference of one atom on the reactant, understand, and product side for the species present alone, then multiply the entire equation by 2 except that particular species. Clear, everybody? Yes, please respond. That is. Understand? So now here, who is present alone? Who is present alone? Oxygen. Understand? So what is the difference between the reactants and product side? Only one atom. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why, except that species, remaining all we are multiplying with the 2, so that we will get the answer. Any doubt, guys? Now, let us see. Similar way, one more example is also that you understand. So, Ag2CO3 will give you Ag plus CO2 plus O2. So now, try to balance it. Let me see. I'm giving you 1 minute time. So by this time, you have to understand how to solve. Already we did a lot of things.
Ag plus CO2 plus.
Apply the trick so that mind itself we can balance it. Elements.
Sir, that after CO2, what, sir? O2.
O2. Now, first tell me elements. Silver, Ag, next C and oxygen. Yes or no, guys?
2 Ag, 2 CO2,
Everyone,
2 Ag.
everyone must try, then only people can able to understand and you can able to solve.
2, 1, 3.
People cannot. Now, silver is 1 and carbon is how many? Carbon is 1. Oxygen 2.
Oxygen 4.
4 is there. Now you can check it. Here, I cannot multiply with what? 3 2s are 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, multiplying this side and that side. So what I have to do first? So silver is what? Silver is only here 2 and here 1. So that what I have to do first, guys?
Product side 2 into
Step
2.
1. So I have to balance silver. So Ag2CO3 will gives you Ag plus CO2 plus O2. So now I'll multiply with what? I'll multiply with the
2.
So reactant side or product side? Product side.
Product side.
No change. 2
1,
1 3. And here what will come now?
2, 1,
1
4.
1 4. Okay. Now you can check it. Silver is balanced. Chlorine is also balanced. But oxygen varies by how many elements? How many elements? 1 atom. But oxygen is existed free state or not? Oxygen is existed alone or not? Alone or not?
Yes, sir.
So by the time what you have to do? What is it? We have to apply the trick.
Multiply with
What is the trick?
1.
Except the species, remaining all we have to multiply with what?
2.
Multiply with what? Everybody?
2.
2. So 2 Ag2CO3 will gives you what? In place of 2, what you have to take?
4.
4
Ag.
Ag
4 silver plus
4 CO2. Sorry, 2 CO2 plus
CO2.
Plus O2.
clear, everybody? That is. So now you check it. So silver how many? 2 2s are. 2 2s are how much? Silver.
4.
2 2s are how much, guys? 4.
4.
4.
Carbon how much? Carbon, check it.
2 carbon.
Carbon 2 1s are 2 and oxygen 2 3s are 6. Clear, guys? 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Now,
sir.
product side, tell me. Product side, how much it will come? Silver.
4 silver.
Silver 4. Carbon how much? Silver 4. Carbon how much? 2 into 1.
2. 2.
2 into 1, 2. And oxygen, check it. Oxygen, how many count it?
Six.
2 to the 4,
Six.
4 plus 2, 6.
4 plus 2,
That
6.
is clear. So that is the way. So
Yes,
if you
sir.
apply
Yes,
the
sir.
trick, if you apply the trick, it will become very easy for us. Have you noticed it, guys? That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So I cannot say where I have to use this trick. You have to make the trick because based upon the equation in exam, we cannot say, sir, can I use trick 1? Can I use trick 2? You cannot expect it. Understand? So the only way which I can suggest, based upon the equation, you have to proceed forward. That is what I can say. Understand, Aswita? Yes, everybody? Very good lecture. Yeah, very good lecture. But that is what you have to do it. So based upon the situation, you have to change it and you have to apply the trick. So this is what 2 tricks I taught you. Then next trick will go. Shall we move to next trick? So some equations will come. Even you will solve for 100 years also. That equation will never balance. Keep on going, keep on changes. So that is what we are going to study. So that is only the next one. So let us see the trick 3 we'll study and we will make it. So now try to balance it, this equation. So then the needed that I will say you the trick. Okay, guys. So now that is only right. HNO3. Let us see who will balance. HNO3 will react with hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide smell what, guys? We studied change in water.
Organic.
Rotten eggs.
Rotten eggs. Very good. That is the importance of carried forward. Knowledge should be carried forward. What we have studied, it should be remember again. That is what I am suggesting you. So now, right, everybody try to balance it. Everybody try to balance it. So what is the box? Box, you have to construct it before itself. So now, what is that? Reactant. So here element and here reactant and here what? Product.
Product.
Element, tell me, hydrogen, nitrogen,
Nitrogen, oxygen,
hydrogen,
sulfur.
nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. Clear, guys? That is. So what is the first step 1? Step 1 common. What is the step 1? Everyone.
Atom of all elements.
Atom of number of atoms of all elements. Now tell me hydrogen how many? Here 1 and here 2.
3.
Total how many?
3.
3.
Here totally how many, guys? 3.
3.
Next nitrogen 1.
1.
Understand? Oxygen 3.
3.
Sulfur 1. And
One.
nitrogen 1.
1.
Sorry, hydrogen 2. Nitrogen 1.
1.
1.
Next oxygen 3.
3.
2 plus 1 3. And sulfur what?
Sulfur 1.
1.
Sulfur 1.
Here second. Nitrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced, sulfur is balanced. Who is not balanced?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Oh, hydrogen this side 3 and that side 2. So we have to make it what? We have to balance.
Sir.
What we have to
Multiply
do?
with
Multiply with what, brothers?
2.
Multiply with the 2. Which is side 2?
No, sir.
Which is side 2? That is what my first question. Which is side 2?
Sorry, except that alone.
Except H2O, all 2.
Except H2O. H2O.
No, sorry.
H2O also we have to change it, correct?
So that did not come, sir.
That is. So let it be. We'll keep on balancing. So let us first take. We'll try to balance. For example, starts with the first one. So now we'll go with the what? First balance this side. So take it as the same thing. So now this side let me keep as the reactant side same. 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, Elmukal? Everyone? Now product side, let us multiply this one with the 2, everything. So now what it will come, tell me. So let us step 1. So because it will never end unless if you'll apply trick, this equation I am challenging. Let me see who will balance. So HNO3, so plus H2S. So you cannot balance it by any way. You can check it. So NO2 plus H2O plus. Yes, sir, I can multiply with this side with the 3 into 4, this side with 2 into 3. Sorry, here 3 into 2 and here with 2 into 3. But if I'll try to multiply like that, other substances is changing. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it is, you try guys, this equation is never going to end. Now that is why I am multiplying in reactant side this substance with fully multiplied with the 2. So now tell me what is that happening? Number of substances, hydrogens become what? Hydrogens become what?
2.
Hydrogen 2 ah. Elmokel check it.
4.
Plus 2. 4. Understand? 4. Next nitrogen. Nitrogen become 2. Next oxygen. 3 2s are 6. And the sulfur.
Sulfur 2. 1 1 1.
Maun is sleeping, I think. Maunish. Next. So see, I try to now, how many become imbalance? I try to change the hydrogen 3 to 4. Now why I changed it? Because this side I can multiply. 4 can become, 2 can become 4 easily. Yes or no? Yes,
sir.
guys.
Yes, sir.
That is. So now step 2. What will become step 2? Tell me. Reactant side or product side? Product side.
Product
Product
side.
4261. 4261. Now reactant side. Here we have 2 hydrogens. 2 become 4. So that I will multiply with what?
2.
2H2. Okay. That is. So next step we have to do it. So that is why I'm erasing here. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no? That is. So 2HNO3. Tell me. H2S will gives you NO2 plus what will come?
2 plus 2O.
2H2O plus
Plus
yes.
Now
Sulfur.
how much it will become? I try to change hydrogen, but oxygen also changing. Have you checked it? Hydrogen is 2. Sorry, hydrogen is how much? Hydrogen is 4. Yes.
6.
Hey,
4 4. 4.
It's a 4 sulfur.
hydrogen is 4. Next, nitrogen, check it. Nitrogen is only 1. Next, oxygen. Oxygen how many?
Oxygen 6.
4.
4.
4.
4. Sulfur.
Sulfur 1.
Clear, guys? Everyone,
sir.
read
No,
out.
oxygen 6.
Oxygen 6. Oh, how are 6
Four, sir.
oxygen? It's not. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 2, 4 only. Okay. That is. So now,
Okay.
somehow I try to balance hydrogen. But next, who become imbalance? Nitrogen become imbalance. Now here, nitrogen is 2, but here 1 only. So that reactant side or product side?
Product side.
Product side. 4261. Again, I am writing the same thing. Clear, guys? 4261. Yes or no? Please respond. 4261. Same in reactant side. Product side, what will become? Nitrogen 1 will become 2. So what will come, guys? Please respond. Step 3. So 2HNO3 plus H2S will give you. Here I will multiply with what? 2NO3 plus 2H2O.
2H2O plus yes.
Yes, that is. Now, reactant side, what will come? 4, sorry, nitrogen also have to check it. So, see, I try to balance nitrogen, but oxygen also changing. Yes or no, guys? So, this is, so now oxygen become how many? Sulfur not changing, sulfur 1 only. Sulfur 1 only, but oxygen how many? 2s are 4 and plus 4 plus 2 how much? 4 plus 2 how much? 6.
16.
That is. So,
6.
what we have been done. Have you noticed it? 4 2 6 1. 4 2 6 1. Clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is. So in this way we have to balance it. So whenever you are getting side by side, I will say the trick. But you have to understand this equation or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you next equation and I will give you the trick. Let me see. Solve it. Sulfur plus HNO3 will gives you H2SO4 plus nitrogen dioxide plus H2O. This is the equation. Is it okay, guys? Yes? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm challenging you all till afternoon. You all try. If you try in a general method, unless if you apply the trick, this equation will never end. Try to solve it, everybody. This equation is never going to end. You will never get balanced equation. Try even 1 hour. You people will never get balanced equation because every time everything will change. So at this situation, first normal method everybody see. Afternoon I will check it either you solved or not. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, general method, how to balance it one by one, you make it. Okay, guys. Now, after that, I will say the trick. Trick you remember and keep it in mind and solve. Easily, you people can solve. That is what trick 3. But first, you have to try general. Yes or no? You can make your friends also like balancing equation. You give this equation, and if they will try the normal method, 10 days also they cannot solve because continuously keep on changes, nothing is going to change in the equation. So you also try at least minimum 7-8 step you try. Okay, Almukel, Maitrayan, everybody. So after that you will feel
Yes, sir.
it is keep on changing, then you people need to follow the trick and you have to check it. So in any equation, if you'll get continuously keep on changing after 6-7 steps also, maximum no equation will come 6-7 steps. Once it will coming, then you have to apply this trick. Like don't say that equation we have solved 10 steps. There we applied the trick. Which one? The free element we have been balanced at the last. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now here trick is try to make the number of atoms even. Understand, everybody? Laksha, Ishali, try to make the number of atoms what? What, guys? Even. What do you mean by even? Anyone? What do you mean by even, guys? Even number of,
Multiples of 2.
The 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
yeah.
Multiples of 2, sir.
Understand, brothers? Now, everyone I am challenging this equation. You try to solve normal method. 100% I'm sure that after 7-8 steps also, you people are never going to get the answer. So after that, apply this trick. Try to make the atoms what it is even. So that 100% you people are going to get within 3 or 4 steps. That is what I will suggest you. Is it okay, guys? Yes,
Sir.
everyone. That is
Yes, sir.
what I am.
Sir.
This, yeah, please tell me.
Sir, S plus 4HNO3 gives a H2SO4 plus 4NO2 plus H2.
4NO2 plus H2. Okay, I'll check it because I also want to check it. Okay,
Sir, normal method coming, sir.
normal method not coming up.
Sir, without table, simply we will balance, no, sir. Like that, it is coming, sir.
Simply balancing.
By seeing
Your
the
answer-
reactant,
But answer is wrong, my friend. What you did is wrong. I'm sure. Okay. I'm sure,
Yes, sir.
my friend. Your answer is wrong. I will say the balanced equation, guys. Balanced equation, what you said, my friend? S plus 4HNO3
4 equal to H2SO4 plus 4NO2 plus H2.
but 4NO3 wrong. It is 6HNO3 will come. Check it. Okay, somewhere you are missing the things. Clear? Elmogil?
Yes, sir.
So try to solve it. So balanced equation, what is coming? I'm saying you balanced equation. S plus 6NO3. General method, it won't come, my friend. You cannot balance it. Somewhere you are not matching. Verify it once. 6NO2 plus 2H2O. Something you are missing. This is the balanced equation. Is it okay, guys? Everyone? That is the thing you have to remember. So with this, I will stop you. I will end the meeting. So now everyone try to solve this equation before afternoon, and those who are not attended from the beginning, try to complete it. And by the time of afternoon class, you have to complete this equation and should come. Then apply the trick. First solve general method, later apply the trick. Within 4 steps, you will get the answer. Is it okay, guys? Okay, brothers? That is what I'm saying. Okay. So with this, I'm going to leave you. Thank you all. We'll meet you in the afternoon.